Kundalini energy dissolves the ego's version of purpose to get, to achieve, to be successful, and clears the space for divine will to move through you. You stop chasing purpose and start living it moment by moment as an expression of loving and joyful service to the oneness that we all are. Purpose is not something that you find, and it's not something that you do. It's what you become when you allow divinity to move and speak through you and as you. What happens when Kundalini awakens purpose? Kundalini awakening allows the expansion as well as the rise of divine consciousness and divine will through the body and through the energy body. Your life becomes an expression of what serves the highest good of all. Not the ego's version of your life, but the life that spirit longs to live through you and as you. This forced flow of divine energy or Kundalini strips away your plans so that something higher can lead. What's dissolving is the you that tries to figure things out. Trying to figure it all out comes from fear, because fear doesn't trust the future. It believes that you need to control everything in order to be okay, which is actually laughable. You certainly can't have control over the future. It exists only as an idea, only as a mental construct. Divinity is always flowing through you to fulfill its own purpose. Purpose is the shift from what should I do to move me, speak through me, speak as me. This isn't just an intellectual realization, it's an entire shift, a complete reorientation of how you move through life, from the inside out. What's needed now is not to fill yourself up with new knowledge or learn anything new, but to become empty so that divinity can move through you. This means that you put aside your old ways of doing things, your ways of controlling, your opinions, your preferences, your attachments. Choose a highest intention. Ultimate clarity will come from aligning with one highest intention. This is what intentional living is, and this is an on-purpose life. Having a high intention helps you to move in that direction, no matter what is going on. For example, my intention is to live in the highest state of consciousness possible, allowing the highest divinity to move and speak through me and as me, always. No matter what. These are not affirmations, they are orientations of being. They are the frequency that you are committing to carry moment by moment. Instead of chasing outcomes, live from this one intention. Let this become your compass in every moment. Check in often throughout your day and keep asking, is this thought, this word, this action aligned with my highest intention? Ask the divine to move through you and as you. Throughout the day, all day long, whenever you remember, just talk to yourself and talk to the divine. Move through me, speak through me, love through me, be me. I give you permission. You are not separate from the divine because nothing can be separate from God. Whatever you do, do it with love, and that is enough. Just realign over and over again. Make a choice to live by your highest intention again and again, and then take the next step. You can plan for the future, but do so in alignment with divinity, not from fear. See the divine in all things. This is magical. Start seeing everything, every person, every challenge, every obstacle, every moment as part of the divine oneness that we all are. Only divine perfection exists. This will instantly shift you from ego into oneness. Live as if everything is sacred and divine. When you become purpose, life aligns. When you start living as purpose, you will align more and more with a purpose-filled life. You were never meant to chase your purpose. You weren't meant to find it. You were meant to embody purpose in all that you do. You bring purpose to life. Kundalini clears the path. Just walk it. moment by moment, as the true divine self that you already are. Be this energy in everything you say, everything that you think, everything that you do, as much as you possibly can. This isn't about striving, and there's nothing to prove. It's just authentic, loving, surrendered service to the oneness that we all are. Your life, fully offered to the oneness that we all are, is your purpose. What could be higher than that? Walk in purpose with us. And I'd love it if you would join us inside the Kundalini Awakening and Divine Embodiment membership. This is completely donation-based, so pay what you can, show up as you are. We have daily live sadhana or spiritual practice to help this energy to rise in grace. We have monthly 3-day retreats. You're completely supported. We have group coaching sessions. We have Q&As. This is a wonderful group of people who really understand, and I would love to see you on the inside.